Konnichiwa. I wanted to show everyone my man cave I've been working on lately. Let's see, back in the day I used to compete in the field of electronics for Butte College and won a bunch of awards. Back in the day I also won a $12,000 scholarship through the National Education Center. Also went to compete more in electronics, won a bunch of gold medals and see some silver medals, and also went to what was called the trials for the IYSO International Youth Skill Olympics, where I tried to make it for the international team but just didn't quite make it. And that was sponsored by the Coca-Cola company. Then had more awards and write-ups, and a bunch of certificates for the ROP electronics program. Let's see, then here's some of my test equipment. Let's see, some more test equipment. So my laptop, I'm watching Star Trek. Then I got some stuff I've been stacking in the closet here, more test equipment. Then back here I got my handheld radio collection and an amateur radio one also, the Yaesu. Let's see, then I got my workbench with all my tools, and I've been working at this constantly for 2 weeks now, unboxing all this stuff. I got my computer all set up. Then just bought a brand new computer system from Cyber Power PC, and it's one of those state-of-the-art fast gaming systems, and also got a ultra-wide LG monitor, and it's a glass case, got some pretty flashing lights going on there. Then also got my surround sound system underneath. Oh, then I got some vintage computers here. I got an old Atari 800 XL playing Donkey Kong. And I'm sure everyone knows what the blue box is. Then I got an old PET computer. They originally started making these things in 1979. This is part of my vintage computer collection. And I got a bunch of games organized on my shelf here with some vintage stereo equipment. It's for my Doctor Who. So that's working. Anyways, I just thought I'd show everyone my new gaming computer setup. It's really fast. So if you got any comments, hey, let me know. Thanks. I'll talk to you all later.